my name is Hal Hussein. I'm from İşq High School. I'm grade 10. My category for FPO is design. I have designed a classroom that is called the 21st Century Classroom. This classroom is from an international school. In international school and in European schools, each student takes up 2 meters square, and this is a classroom from an international school that consists of 5 main areas. This is the studying area that students can study and have classes in here. We have the TV area. This TV area, the students can have these after school activities and they can watch scientific movies or videos here. This is the meeting or the reading area. The students can read books or they can have guidance lesson here. And this is in here they can pray or read books or have guidance lesson. Our guidance lesson is that when students meet with their teachers and share their problems. Here we have the hobby area. The students can take art and music lessons or they can use the music instruments here. Here we have the creative area. They can solve their problems or have conversation about some scientific problems. We have 2 bathrooms because it's an international school. Boys and girls study here. We have the boys' bathroom here. We have the girls' bathroom here. And in here it's an open area. They can go to the green area. A green area they can have their activities. And this is a double-loaded corridor. A double-loaded corridor is that a corridor that has areas. It's a double-loaded corridor. Double-loaded corridor is a corridor that students have, that a place that have 2 open areas on both sides. This is a double-loaded corridor, and this is my 3D design.